Hey guys, this is Barry with Fire and Ice Outdoors, and welcome back to the channel. Doing another unboxing video with a rugged tablet. I keep wanting to say iPad. I'm an iPhone person, but this is a rugged tablet. I think you're gonna like this. This fits my audience perfectly. I'm excited to use it, and I'm actually thinking about using it on our dirt bike trips because I don't have to take my expensive laptop. I can actually just do an SD dump, just a data dump into it, and then send it to the editors while I'm doing long distance dirt bike riding, stuff like that. So let's take a look at it. So this is the OUKITEL. This is the RT10. It's 5G, 48 gigs of RAM. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what's inside here. All right, this thing is heavy, not light at all. Very similar to the phone we did a video of. So this is very rugged. I just want you to know this is for someone that overlanding out in the field. So this is, you can use this as a tablet. It's got a thing where your hand. This is actually glove friendly too, which is kind of cool. This is for like if you want to put it around your shoulder. USB-C, and I think this is a 45-watt charger, and I get some tools to put kind of all this stuff together. So this is the RT10, a rugged tablet built for the field, not the office. Let's open this up here. SD card. Put this over to the side. It does have AI camera. It's got a huge light, a light here. This AI isn't, what it does is it can, when you're taking pictures, this isn't the best camera in the world, but when you're doing the camera, does not mean fancy cinematic effects. It refers to the software-based imaging processor that uses the machine learning algorithm to improve clarity, accuracy to work environment. There we go. And this is actually waterproof up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. You can not just splash water on this, you can actually dunk this in water and it will be fine, which is pretty awesome, because when it said it was waterproof, I had to dig and find out if it had any information on that. It's a 10.1 inch screen Android tablet designed for the outdoor professional with off-grid traveling and anyone who needs a device that can survive abuse. It is a IP68 or an IP69K durability. Oddly enough, the phone, it has a bigger battery than this. The phone actually has a 20,000 amp hour battery. This has a 10,000 amp hour battery, which is not bad at all, I'll be honest with you. It's got an OCTA core processor. It's got a decent camera, and this is actually glove friendly. So this is great for like construction workers, forest, land management, farmers. It's got a great mapping and GPS, great for overlanding. If you're a truck driver or deliverer, this thing would do great. I'm just trying to go through any of this stuff that this is real life right here. So pros, extremely durable, dude. This thing is large battery, all day use, multi-day to be honest with you. It's got a bright 10.1 inch screen, glove friendly. It's got great accessories where you can have a hand strap. It has the little, you saw that, you can actually screw inside here. This stuff is not plastic. This ain't light. It's affordable, little touchscreen. I think it's cool. I like it. So let's talk about cons real quick. It's heavy and bulky. Yeah. Not a high-end performance device. Good for work apps, not gaming. The camera's functional, but not cinematic. I don't know if you were going to have anything like this that you were actually wanting to take great pictures. This might be something where you can take pictures. If you're out in the field, like a well driller or something, you need to take pictures of certain things. It will function. There's no problems there. Yeah, flashlight. It's a decent light. I think it's the same light as the other one. You got SOS. All right. The still one? Yeah. Let's turn it off. And then there's another one in here. Camp light. That's it. Light. That is cool. And that's bright. Look at that, dude. That's insane. But yeah, really bright light. Duration, you can actually do 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Yeah. So, camera, not the best. Screen's bright, but not flagship level. It takes a while to charge this. So, just a real recap. I'm not showing my face a ton on this video. I apologize, but I think this is what you're here for. This isn't an iPad replacement. It's a field tool for people who work, travel, and in places where normal tablets fail. I think you'd love this gear. It can solve real world outdoor problems, and the RT10 fits, honestly, my needs perfectly, especially for putting this in the back of on my dirt bike and riding for 13 days straight, and then just using the SD card set. Let me see here. Yeah, you can charge right through there on the back side. What else you got in here? Oh, that's where you put your SD card. Just kind of going through stuff quick. It can handle it, guys. It can handle it. I don't know what that's for. I wonder if that's for charging as well. Anyway, yeah. So, who is this for? I don't know. If you're an outdoor person where you're not having to worry about a really expensive iPad, this might be for you. I have no idea. I think it's great for what I do. I used to be a well driller. I think it would be perfect for that because you have to take pictures of what you're doing. Anybody that's out in the field that just needs something rugged, I think it would work just fine. If you like one of these, I'll put it in the description below. They do make excellent charging equipment as well. I definitely stand behind that type of stuff. I'm actually going to be testing this out later in later videos, but yeah, I like it. I've got tons more unboxing videos coming. If you like these videos, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I appreciate y'all watching. I'll put this in the description if you want it. If not, just look it up too. I don't work affiliate marketing, but I appreciate y'all. See you next time. Bye.